Hi guys, I'm Sanjana from Pritikas, your haircare bestie on a budget. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about best haircare products of mine part 1, and I will mention each and every category like if it is for dry scalp, oily scalp, dry ends, frizzy hair, hair growth, hair fall, everything possible. So at first we'll start with shampoo. The first one is Pantene Lively Clean shampoo. This shampoo is very good for oily scalp. If you had buildup and if you have oily scalp just after 2 to 3 days of wash days, then you can use this once a week. And if you have dry scalp but you have buildup problem, then you can use it once in 15 days. This is very clarifying in nature. It has sulfurs but it doesn't contain any silicone. So as I said that sulfate is okay but silicone is not. So I am okay with this shampoo. And if you have very sweaty oily scalp and if you go to the gym and your scalp gets very oily and build up and sweaty, then you can give this a try. And it is very affordable. I think this is 200 ml for 189 rupees. This is the MRP, but you can get at very less cost in Amazon or Flipkart. All the product links will be in the description box. And the second product is my favorite shampoo, and I'm using it for 2 to 3 months and I'm loving this shampoo. I know that I have told you guys that shampoo won't help in hair fall, but this shampoo really does. So this is Whisker Multipeptide Anti Hair Fall Shampoo. This shampoo is such a gem of a product. It is a moisturizing shampoo. You can use it in regular basis. And whenever I shampoo, I lose 2 to 3 strands. It comes in my hand always. But after using this shampoo, there is no hair fall. Like from the first day, I am not getting any hair fall while doing shampoo. This is sulfate paraben free. It has silicone. So if you're a beginner, then you can skip it. You can opt for any silicone free shampoo that you can find in affordable curly wavy hair care products video of mine. I will link it in my description box. You can check it out. If you're not a beginner and you are okay with silicones, then give this shampoo a try. It is a very good shampoo. It lathers well as well. It is very moisturizing in itself also. It retails for 499 rupees for 250 ml of products, but you can get I think around 349 to 399 on Amazon and on Nykaa, Myntra, and all of that. I will link it in the description box. You can check it out. And now comes the conditioner category. So the first product is Wishcare Multipeptide Anti Hair Fall Conditioner. So it doesn't contain any silicone. Okay, and the best thing about this is it has amazing slip and it is good for every type of hair, whether it is straight, curly, coily, wavy, even if it is fine, medium, coarse, anything. But this conditioner provides good moisture also, and also it has very good sleep. So you can just take a little bit amount and you can detangle your hair properly. And it has hyaluronic acid, which is very good to moisturize your hair as well. It also retails for 449 rupees for 200 ml of products, and it is a pretty budget friendly product and you can get it under rupees 300 to 400 I guess on Amazon. सबका link description में मिल जाएगा. The next product is Requil Pia Protein Murmur Seed Butter Conditioner. This is an amazing product for fine hair, and if you don't like heavy products, heavy conditioner, but you need the slip and you need the moisture, then you can go for this one. This is very affordable. I think this is for 150 ml products for I think 299 rupees. You can get it in 290 270 rupees, whether it's on sale on Amazon. I will link it in the description box. You can check it out. This contains protein. So if you have very low porosity hair, then I won't recommend you to use more than once or twice a week. If you have low porosity hair, you can use the Wishcare one, and if you have high porosity hair, you can surely use this one. And the next product is one of my favorite products. This is a Korean hair beauty product, that is a Lador Herbalism treatment. This is a conditioner basically, but the sleep it has, I didn't find any sleep like this ever before. So if you want very good sleep and if you want very good moisture, you can try this product. This product is a gem of a product. You can find it on Nykaa. You can find it on SkinBay. Even I think Tira also has this one. I am literally saving this product every time I use it. It makes my hair feel like butter. it makes my hair so soft. I think it is a bit costly. I think it will cost you around 1k to 1.5k. I will link it in the description box. You can check it out. And now comes the another category, that is hair mask, my favorite product. So the first and one and only products I am going to suggest you in this video is Requil Deep Nourishment Hair Mask, Pia Protein and Ceramide. This is legit the best product in the market for fine to coarse hair, and this moisturizes your hair so well. It has protein, but I don't think that low porosity hair own can't use this because it is very lightweight and it does contain protein, but not that much that you can't use it. You can use it once a week for deep conditioning, and you can use it as a conditioner also if you have medium coarse to coarse hair like mine. I have low porosity hair and I use this hair mask every day, you can say, every time I wash my hair, but it doesn't make my hair very stiff kind of or wire kind of, like there is no protein overload I got from this product. So you can try that also, but to be in safer side, I will suggest you to use this once a week. Start with once a week and then you can build it up and you can see if that it makes your hair like hair like, or it causing you any protein overload or not. So everyone can use this product. Also it contains ceramide and pea protein, which is very good for damaged hair as well. It actually retails for 595 rupees and it is of I think 200 grams of product, but you can get it around 400 to 550 rupees and it is worth every penny you spent on this. Also, I will show you the consistency. Can you see the consistency? This is a very creamy product and you don't need a lot of product of it. You can take a little bit amount and build it up. It has amazing slip as well. You can detangle your hair very nicely, very quickly with this product. When the product touches your hair, it starts melting all the knots. Okay, so the next one is for hair spa at home. I don't think I have bought this product. I got this product when I'm doing a collaboration with this brand. But this is a gem of a product because it can provide you literally salon-like hair. What the brand claims is real. This is an Indian version of Intense Moisture Lamellar Treatment Water. They said that you can use it as a conditioner. You don't need a conditioner. It just does the magic in just 10 seconds. But I will say that yeah, it is good for wavy and straight hair. But if you have curly hair, you have to use a conditioner for detangle and then you can use it. Whenever you are using it, now you have to use it like you have to wet your hair after conditioning on wet hair. You have to apply it. It can provide you the glossy shiny hair, it can provide you the moisture, but it has no slip. That is why you can't detangle your hair. So if you have curly hair, if you have frizzy very tangled hair, then you have to use a conditioner, then use this for that glossier finish hair. When you dry your hair, you can see that gloss is everywhere on your hair. Your hair is shinier and smoother. A little bit costly. It is 999 rupees for 200 ml of products, but you can get it under 700 rupees on Amazon. I will link everything in the description box. You can check that out. So this is summer time and you know that everyone is going to gym and sweat like a pig. So you have to use a co-wash because you are going to wash your hair very frequently in this summer. I will suggest you the Indian version of Azayam Coconut Co-Wash, that is Curl Up Co-Wash. Curl Up Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner, it is the name. So what it does, what is co-wash, I will explain to you. Actually, when you frequently wash your hair, you shampoo your hair, maybe it can stripe the natural oils from your hair. One, the point number two is you don't have time. Also, you need one and done product for shampoo and conditioner. So you can go with this. It is a conditioner plus shampoo product. So it can easily remove all the oils, extra oils, and also it can moisturize. It has slip, so you can detangle. Also as a conditioner also you can use it. So you just have to use this and then you can style your hair. So don't need to use any shampoo and conditioner separately. You can use it. So for saving time also you can use it. But there is a catch. You can't use just co-wash for all the days. because it can cause buildup also. So you have to use a clarifying shampoo once a week at least if you are using a Kovas very frequently. Also, what is the best thing about this product is it has a surfactant. So literally Kovas doesn't have a surfactant easily, but it has, so it can easily remove oils. So this details for 690 rupees for 200 ml of product, but I will literally say that you can find it, I think, under 500 to 600 rupees. Now is the another category, that is curl cream. So the next product is my favorite, curl cream. If you have medium coarse to coarse hair, not fine hair, you want a little bit more hydrating, more moisturizing, more heavier side product, then you can get curl up curl cream. This cream is of a very thick, running to thick consistency, and also it has a thoda sa bit extra thick consistency. So you can give it a try if you have medium coarse to coarse hair. If you have fine hair, I will suggest you to emulsify and take a very little bit, mix it with water and emulsify, and then you can apply. Also, it can cause buildup. If you take a lot of quantity of this, then it can cause buildup, and it can make your hair very productive. So be mindful while applying this product. You can start with from a minimum amount and then you can build it up. I think this retails for 690 rupees also for 150 gram of product, but you can get it under rupees 500 to 600. Now comes one of my favorite one and done styler, that is Curl-Co curl cream. It is very good for fine hair, medium coarse, every type of hair. But if you have fine hair, you can literally buy this. If you have fine wavy hair, I don't think you need a gel. If you want your curls to or waves to last for 2 to 3 days, it will pretty much do it. I think even it is 600 to 700 rupees, and it is a pretty much bin bottle. Also, it provides a cast around your hair, like a gel cast. It is a curl cream, but it provides a gel cast which will last your curls or waves for 2 to 3 days. So that is why this is a one and done styler. This is the India's first curl cream which provides a gel cast. It has soft hold as well. It is not that give you that crunchy kind of gel cast, but soft hold gel cast that you can easily break. Now comes the another category, that is hair gel. I have started my curly girl journey with this gel, and this is the most beginner friendly gel, you can say. This is Fix My Curls Flaxseed Jelly. It provides very good moisture. You can build it up. It has that gloopy feeling. It has that slip also. Even it doesn't cause buildup. It has mainly flaxseed, so you can say that it gives a very good gel cast, but not that hard. Also, it gives a very good shine, and for beginners, even for pro users also, this is one of my favorite gel, you can say. It is also one of the affordable hair gels in India, and you can get the 200 ml product that will cost you 400 to 500 rupees. Get your hands on this, don't miss this product. And this is very lightweight. You can use it for fine, medium coarse, every kind of hair, and it provides medium to strong hair gel. So this is it for this video. If you want the part 2, please comment down. We will make another video for part 2 of my best hair care product. All the products link are in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. मिलते हैं मेरे next video में. Bye bye.